So students, introduction of this chapter I have given in the previous video, that what topics we have to study in this chapter. So now we're going to continue this chapter. Like I told you about the Cold War, so the Cold War era, okay, how it was started between US and USSR, what were the main reasons, what were the ideologies between two nations, two superpowers, and how they founded themselves that we are the superpower of the world. Okay, so the Cold War era, okay, how Cold War era was started. Now come First World War. You know that First World War from 1914 to 1918. Okay. And Second World War from 1939 to 1945. During Second World War, whole world was divided into two powers, two superpowers, two blocks, US and USSR. Okay, so during the Second World War, which started in 1939 to 1945, what was happened during this period? Okay, during the Second World War, so what happened? During Second World War, whole world was divided into two power, two forces, two allied. Okay, first force was allied forces, allied group. Okay, and how many countries were in that group? So US, Soviet Union, Britain and France. Four countries were in the allied forces. Means these four countries of the world, which were the developed countries of the world, made their own group against Axis power. Second group during the Second World War was Axis power, led by Germany, Italy and Japan. So World War II was between two allied, between two groups. Okay, between the two groups, two blocks. In 1945, and okay, that Cold War, World War II was between two groups that I told you. So why the Cold War was started? What were the main reasons? So in 1945, okay, when World War II going to be end. So at the last time, what happened? In 1945, the Second World War was ended and the Cold War began when the US dropped bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Okay, so first reason ki how Cold War was started between two countries, between two power, ठीक है ना, powers, and how it was founded. So first reason was there because America dropped bomb in 1945 when the Second World War was going to be end. Okay, then come to ideologies of two nation. Ideologies of two nation. Okay, because I told you why it was started, because America dropped bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So this was the first reason ki after that, after dropping bomb, of course tension created between USSR and US. Okay, now come to ideological divide, how their ideologies were different. Okay, how their ideologies were different. So first, America, US, capitalist country with democratic administration. That time and now also American ideology was capitalist country, capitalism. Okay, capitalism means America gave opportunity for trade, for business, for means how they earn more and more money from through their economic activities with democratic administration. Okay, so freedom for economic activities and democratic administration was there, that people had equality, people had fundamental rights, people can think about themselves, about their development. Okay, so first this was the ideology of America, capitalist country with democratic administration, means capitalism was in America, now also capitalism is in America. Okay, now come to second, USSR. USSR, what is the full form of USSR? Union Soviet Socialist Republic. Okay, Union Soviet Socialist Republic countries. Okay, republic. What is the ideology of USSR? Communist ideology. Communism is there. Okay, communism means single party is there, single party domination is there. You can say, of course, like a dictatorship, it's an example of dictatorship. Okay, so communism is there, means people don't have freedom, equality was not there. What equality was in America? That people had free for their economic activity. First they have to see their family members, then society, then nation. Okay, but due to the communism or communist ideology, people gave first preference to their nation. So no private ownership was there, public ownership was in USSR, was in Russia. Okay, so due to their ideologies also, they create tension between both countries. It was the second reason. Now come to introduction of this chapter. So the end of Second World War led to the rise of two significant country centers of powers, of course, due to the dropping bomb and due to their ideology. Two nation became superpowers, and both superpowers, both countries want to show their powers in front of the other countries, in front of the other world. Okay, and they try to prove their powers, they try to create, they try to make their domination. Okay, so this is the introduction of this chapter. Now come to facts that matters. Facts, what matters in this चैप्टर और फॉर द कोल्ड वॉर एरा. अब इंट्रोडक्शन हमने स्टडी कर लिया, ठीक है ना. अब हम फैक्टर्स को स्टडी करेंगे, जो फैक्टर्स मेन फैक्टर्स क्यूबन मिसाइल क्राइसिस के लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल थे. सो फर्स्ट, कोल्ड वॉर रेफर्ड टू कॉम्पिटिशन्स, टेंशंस and series of confrontation between the US and USSR. Okay, and second point, second fact was there, Cuba was an ally of Soviet Union and got both diplomatic and financial and financial aid from it. Of course, here I want to give you example like Kashmir. So Kashmir, of course, the part of, it was the part, now it is part of India, but in 1918, 1970, 1980, 1999, it was the part of India, but Pakistan never considered it. Okay, so like that only कि for Kashmir, India thinking that it is the part of India, Pakistan thinking due to the Muslim majority it's the part of Pakistan. Like that only, Cuba was not a portion of USSR. It was not a portion of America. Okay, it was island between of two nation, between of two countries, two superpowers, and due to the minerals, due to the resources, it was very important for both countries. So that's why both want to show their power. Both countries want to occupy administration of Cuba. Okay, so diplomatic problem, relations, financials, and etc. were there. Come to third point. Nikita Khrushchev, the leader of Soviet Union, decided to convert Cuba into a Russian base. Okay, he was the leader of USSR and he decided that I want to convert Cuba into the Russian base, means Cuba became the part of Russia. In 1962, you have to remember, okay, 1962 he placed nuclear missile in Cuba. Russia base nuclear missile in Cuba in 1962, and during this time Nikita Khrushchev was leader of USSR. So his decision. Okay, now come to next point. The installation of these weapons put the US for the first time under fire from close range and nearly doubled the number of cities in the America mainland which could be threatened by USSR. Means it was first time it happened, it was happened to America, that of course America was the developed nation, developed country, superpower of the world before these two blocks. Suddenly when Russia based or placed nuclear missile in Cuba, so which cities were near to the Cuba, the of course the people were feel threatened due to the Cuban missiles. Okay, now come to the next. A clash seemed imminent in what came to be known as the Cuban Missile Crisis. Okay, so these were the factors how Russia and Russia placed nuclear missile in Cuba, how Cold War was started, what were the main reasons we have to study. Okay. Now come to arenas of Cold War. So what were the main areas of Cold War? So arenas of Cold War were what were there, that crisis and was threatened to occur between allied systems but did not lead to another world war. Of course problems were there, like the war between in Korea, okay, for the Korea and for Berlin, for Congo. Of course war, Cold War was there, but that war was not converted into the Third World War. Okay, then sometimes the non-allied countries played of course important role in reducing Cold War conflict. Okay, and role of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and a key leader of NAM was important in, of course,